MTD riding lawn mower yard machine is stuck in gear and the wheels are locked. It is shifting. I can hear it clicking from forward neutral to reverse.
Hello and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is XXXXX I will do my very best to assist you with your question. How are you today?
Okay.
Thanks. Do you have the model number for your mower available? With this information, I can look up your mower.
Model number 13 and 771 G729.
I believe your brake lever is not releasing and this is causing your rear wheels to lock. After I look up your mower, you and I can do some troubleshooting. It appears that you are experiencing difficulties staying connected to our chat.
Can you read this chat?
Yes, thanks. XXXXXX it now. I will attach a picture for you. This picture will assist us with troubleshooting your problem. Full-size image. Did this problem happen all at once or was it gradual?
It wasn't gradual, just all of a sudden stopped working. And because it's stuck in gear, I can't get any spark.
Thanks for your response. Let's look at the picture I attached. Number 26 is a 7/16 of an inch bolt. There are two of these bolts. In the middle of these two bolts is a 1/2 inch lock nut. That 1/2 inch lock nut is used to adjust your brakes. I would like for you to use a 1/2 inch wrench and turn this lock nut counterclockwise in half-turn increments.
Okay, give me a minute to do that.
This test will indicate to us if your brakes are locked and causing your wheel not to turn.
I did it about a 1/2 turn and something broke loose and the wheels aren't locked now.
Since your transaxle will shift from forward, neutral, and reverse, your transaxle should be in good condition. Bingo! We did it!
Just try to turn it over and still no spark.
Your engine will turn over and spin, but will not start up and continue running?
There's no spark to the spark plug. I thought the reason was because it was still in gear. The plug is brand new.
What type engine do you have? Briggs and Stratton, Tecumseh? Kohler?
Briggs and Stratton 5 horsepower.
How did you test your spark?
Took the plug, attached it to the plug wire, grounded it to the manifold, and another person turned the key.
Thanks for information. You will either have a faulty safety switch or a faulty ignition coil. I can tell you how to test to be sure. If you remove your engine shroud, you will see your ignition coil. There will be one wire that plugs to the terminal on your coil. Unplug this wire and retest for spark. If you get spark with this wire unplugged, then your coil is good. If you doesn't get spark, then your coil is at fault.
Did not get any spark with wire unplugged.
I am afraid that you may have to replace your ignition coil. With that wire unplugged, you eliminated all of your safety switches relating to your coil. I have something else for you to try first. There is a magnet on your flywheel. Take a screwdriver and hold it near this magnet. Check to see if the magnet will draw the screwdriver strongly to it. Also check to see if this magnet has a lot of rust on it.
The whole flywheel and coil have a lot of rust.
Okay, if you clean the rust from your magnet and your coil, this may solve your problem. I can tell you how to do it.
Okay, I can take care of it from here. Thank you for your help.
You are welcomed. Remember to set the gap between your coil and flywheel at 0.010. If you ever more problems, I will do my very best to get you the answer you need. Sincerely, Donald. If you ever more problems, I will do my very best to get you the answer you need. Sincerely, Donald.
Hi, I installed a new ignition coil and still no spark. Any ideas?
I am away from my computer. I will respond to you as soon as I return. Thanks. I am back with you now. There is a wire that plugs to a terminal on your ignition coil. Unplug this wire, and let's see if your ignition will fire. If so, then you have either a faulty safety switch, or a wire that is going to ground. Did you set the gap between your coil and flywheel at 0.010? Also check your flywheel magnet to see if it will strongly draw a screwdriver to it.
Gap is set to 0.010 and unplug the wire and still no spark. Which wire might be going to ground?
Did you check your flywheel magnets to see if they are still strong? When you unplug the wire from your ignition coil, that eliminated all of the safety switches that are relating to the ground circuit that is going to your ignition coil. Unless you possibly purchased a defective ignition coil, you should get fire with that wire unplugged. Without this wire plugged to your coil, your ground circuit is totally eliminated. Do you have model numbers available from your engine? Also the manufacturer? I will work with you until we find our problem. 41,379.0972414699.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.